Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we meet again guys in our lovely channel SK for English. So today I would like to present to you all about this one. Nah, Bismillah. Hey, meet Usman. This one is one of the character. Name is Usman. Jadi pada video ini saya akan memperkenalkan seorang diri. Seorang tokoh, the name is Usman. Nah, ini Usman. Let's learn about singular and plural. Jadi, Usman ini mengajak kita untuk belajar singular and plural. What is singular and plural? Okay, this is our goals for this chapter. Jadi chapter inilah goal kita. The first one, to explain a place for knowing something to make a short conversations. Jadi sini kita to explain a place. Goalnya dikatakan kita berhasil mempelajari chapter ini ketika kita bisa explain a place, menjelaskan sebuah place, tempat, for knowing something, untuk menjelaskan sesuatu, to make a short conversations, and selain itu juga kita bisa membuat short conversations about something. Okay, this is our goals. Nah, next, this one. There is a picture. There is a Usman reading a book. Usman read a book. The book has picture like this one. Jadi Usman membaca sebuah buku dan melihat picture like this one. And Usman think, guys, what do you see in this picture? Nah, coba tebak. What do you see in that picture? Okay, maybe kipas, tempat tidur, but please make sure in English. Okay, give you a couple minutes for knowing. Mention it. What do you see again? Ya, apalagi yang dilihat? Okay. Okay, let's us help Usman. Ayo kita bantu Usman untuk explain the picture. Usman says, so many things that we can see from that picture. Usman berkata, so many things. Ada banyak hal yang bisa kita lihat in that picture. What is that? Apa? Dia mulai panik nih. Dia mulai panik. Apa kira-kira yang dilihat? Nah gitu. This one about. Usman sudah mulai. Okay, yes, I already know. Dia sudah mulai tahu apa yang dia lihat. Let us help him. Mari kita bantu. The first, a fan, of course. Ini fan. Fan. Okay. The second is window. Window. Ini yang dilihat Usman. And the third is chair. Chair. Bed. Bed. When for sleeping. Bag. Bag for carrying something, or when you go to school you have a bag, but this is for girl, but it's okay. Door, of course, the rooms needs doors. Cupboard, wow, very nice cupboard. Cupboard yang sangat baik, ya, it's a very luxurious and very futuristic cupboard. And then okay, the another arrows, ada warna tadi arrownya green, this one about gray, maybe gray or blue, I don't know. Lamps, okay, ada lamps. How many lamps? 1, 2, 3. Tadi fan only one, window one, chair one, bed one, bed. Okay, every green arrows, Usman meletakkan green arrows itu as the benda yang satu gitu. Lamps, frames. Okay, this is frames. Ada bingkai 1, 2, 3, 4. Racks. Okay, very nice views, Usman. Okay, racks. Pillows. Oh yeah, of course, pillows. Nah, that's about what Usman said. Nah, Usman yang temukan this one. Ada fan. One fan, window only one. Every green arrow, saya ulang. Every green arrows means one thing. Oke, jadi semua yang warna hijau itu Usman lambangkan dengan green arrows. And another one, warna yang lainnya, oke, itu lebih dari satu ya. Oke, very good, nice job Usman. Look at the comparison below. Oke, lihat perbandingan berikut. Nah, the first, tadi, one fan. What else? One window. Next, on a chair. Okay. Next, one bed. Another one, bag. Oh yeah, of course, bag. Another one, door. After door, absolutely, cupboard. Haha. Very good. This is 1, 1, 1, 1 because the picture's 1. Another, oh yeah, 3 lamps. Very good. 6 frames. Is it 6? Let me see. This is frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the other? Oh, maybe this one, Usman say. 5, 6. Okay then. Very nice, Usman. 3 lamps, 6 frames, 3 pillows. Okay. And 2 racks. Okay. There's something unique over here. You see the yellow color? Yeah, lamp, frames, pillows, racks. Okay, I'm going to explain you a little bit about why they using yellow color. Jadi teman-teman, pada di sini ada warna yellow setiap ujung kata lamp, frame, pillow, racks. Actually, the English of lamp adalah the English of lampu adalah lamp. But we add s. Nah, kita tambahkan S untuk menandakan bahwa dia lebih dari 1, guys. Okay, remember. Jadi lebih dari 1. Oh, ternyata Usman call it 111 as singular. Very nice. And another one, plural. Jadi kita bandingkan di sini, berarti ada singular, ada plural. Jadi singular itu everything only one. Okay? The plural itu more than one. Dari mana kita tahu? Dari jumlahnya first di sini 1 fan, 1 window, 1 chair, 1 bed, 1 bag, everything is 1. Wow. The plural one is ada 3, 6, 2. Okay then. And then itu yang pertama dari segi jumlah, and another one dari segi lain adalah using s. Menggunakan s di akhir kata bendanya. Okay, I understand, Usman. Thank you for singular and plural. Another more? Now, what is singular and plural? Wow, Usman sendiri yang tulis dan tidak tahu apa itu singular plural. Oh ya, dia sudah menjelaskan kepada kita, guys. Singular noun is first. Ya, itu dia dari definisi Usman. Singular noun names one person. Jadi singular noun itu dijelaskan untuk satu orang, gitu, menjelaskan tentang seseorang. Singular noun names one thing atau benda. Singular noun names one idea atau sebuah ide atau gagasan. That is singular. Jadi Usman kata kunci adalah one. Nice, thank you. Okay, how about plural? Plural noun names 2 or more persons. Oh yeah, I see. Jadi plural noun itu katanya itu 2 atau lebih jumlah orang. Plural noun names 2 or more things. 2 atau lebih barang-barang. Kayak tadi ada 2 apa tadi itu 6 frames. Itu lebih dari, kemudian 3 pillows, 2 pillows, 3 lamps. Yeah, that's it's about that one. Jadi bendanya lebih dari 1 itu disebut dengan plural. Plural noun names 2 or more idea. Oke. Nah, gitu. Thank you, Usman. Nah, oh ya, dia sini kembali tegaskan, there is for singular noun. Oh, jadi kita bisa menambahkan there is for singular noun. For example, there is, apa tadi yang satu? Fan. There is one fan. Nah, kita bisa sebut itu, there is one window. There is one cupboard. There are four plural noun. Okay, very good. Seperti tadi, there are berapa tadi lampu? 3 ya. Kita bisa gunakan there are 3 lamps. Kita tidak bisa gunakan there is 3 lamps. No, because there is itu hanya digunakan untuk singular noun. Sedangkan there are untuk plural noun. Catatan. Perlu saya jelaskan bahwa there is and there are itu artinya sama. Artinya adalah ada gitu. Kalau saya bilang ada sebuah kursi, saya bisa katakan there is one chair. Ketika saya katakan ada 3 kursi, berarti saya gunakan there are 3 chairs. Okay? Saya berikan another example. This one, glass. 1 gelas. There is 1 glass. Kalau lebih dari 1, like this one. There are 2 glasses. Jangan lupa tambah S ya. Okay? Understand? Nice. Thank you, Usman. So now, So now Usman understand about singular and plural. Nah, jadi Usman sekarang sudah mengerti singular and plural. Now Usman can understand. Oke. Jadi ini catatan penting. Usman telah rangkum. The first, understand singular noun. Ya, tadi sudah dijelaskan apa itu singular noun. And the second, understand plural noun. Sudah juga dijelaskan tentang plural noun itu apa. Jadi singular noun itu only one. Noun itu benda. Jadi bendanya cuma 1. Plural noun itu bendanya ada 2 atau lebih. Next, explain the differences both. Jadi bisa membedakan antara singular dan plural. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Usman. The third one, using singular noun and plural noun in conversations. Jadi bisa menggunakan singular noun dan plural noun in conversation. Cara menggunakannya cukup simpel. Nah, kayak tadi, Usman bertanya, what do you see in that picture? Apa yang kalian lihat di picture itu? Nah, kita bisa langsung jawab kalau kita melihat sebuah kipas, there is one fan. Gitu. Atau kita juga bisa lihat, bisa katakan, there is one bag. There is one bed. Of course. Ketika Usman lagi bertanya, do you see frames on that picture? Apakah kalian melihat frame dalam picture itu? Kita katakan, yes, I can see. There are 6 frames. Nah, itu contoh singkat cara penggunaan dari there is and there are in small conversation. Nah, thank you very much for seeing this video. Terima kasih telah melihat video ini. And that's us about our material for this video. I hope next video I give you more and more video. Jangan lupa kunjungi fanpage Facebook Escaper English. And don't forget see or subscribe YouTube Escaper English channel. So you can see another material, berbagai tutorial, material, and something different and very interesting. Okay? I'm Mr. Safar and Usman. Thank you for seeing this video. Salam smart. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.